aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel I am using is this Bioorganic Pure Aloe Vera Gel. Now talking about this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to talk about summer essentials. Like summers are officially here and you need some certain product to survive in summer. I recently buy my summer essentials from Amazon and I thought to share with you all. But before that, if you are new here, then hi, my name is Poonam Sharma and I create videos about fashion and beauty. If you like to watch same in your YouTube feed, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And without further ado, let's get started today's video. So in summers your face need hydration, and for that I have two products here. The first thing is a moisturizer. Now whatever the season is, you have to apply moisturizer. In summers you have to apply moisturizer as well, and the moisturizer I am using is this Pond's moisturizer. It leaves your skin soft and supple. It contains vitamin E and glycerin, which is known to give you a soft and glowing skin. The texture of this product is very smooth and it gives you a good amount of hydration in your face. So if you are looking for a good hydrating moisturizer, you can go for this. The good thing about this product is you will get a good amount of product in just affordable range. Like this 250 ml dabba cost you around 229, which is quite affordable. So you can go for this product if you are looking for a moisturizer. This moisturizer is suitable for oily skin as well, and the structure of the product is very smooth. You can check out this product. The next product for your hydration is aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel I am using is this Bioorganic Pure Aloe Vera Gel. Now talking about this product, it has a mild fragrance and the structure of this product is quite thick and smooth. Aloe vera gel is must for summers. Aloe vera gel has numerous benefits, from hydrating your skin to soothe your skin. You can wear aloe vera gel if you have oily skin or sensitive skin. It is suitable for all skin type. The price of this product is $199. You can check out the description box for link. If you have acne prone skin, then aloe vera gel can do wonders on your skin type. Not talking about summer essentials, and forget a clay mask is not possible. A clay mask has various benefits. They keep your face hydrated and refreshing. The mask I am using is from Swiss Beauty and it is their blueberry mask. It is for hydration and refreshing, and it does its work totally fine. It comes with an applicator and it has silent fragrance of blueberry. The product packaging is very cute and it has a smooth texture. So if you are looking for a clay mask, you can go for this product. मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट बाज़ार में देखा था, तब मैं उसको ख़रीदना चाहती थी, लेकिन उस टाइम काफ़ी ओवर प्राइस था. एंड व्हेन आई कम टू होम आई सॉ दिस टू अमेजन एंड आई परचेज इट. सो यू कैन गो फॉर दिस प्रोडक्ट. डोंट वरी अबाउट कि स्विस ब्यूटी मेकअप ब्रांड है. यू कैन परचेज देयर स्किन केयर एज वेल. Clay mask give proper hydration and refreshment to the skin, so you can check out this product as well. From lips to body, everything need hydration in summer, and so let's talk about body product. The body product you need in your life is a body wash and body scrub. So first let's talk about body wash. The body wash I'm using is this Dove body wash. It is for nourishment and it is a 190 ml dabba. You get it in just 115 rupees. This one is not so great. It does its work fine. So you can check out this product if you are looking for a normal body wash. And for a good bath you have to use a body wash in summer. This product leaves your skin soft after using it, and the packaging of this product is very cute. After body wash you need a scrub. A scrub is important to remove your dead skin cells and tanning. You must know how much we face tanning in summer. So the scrub I am using is from Dr. Rochelle and it is their face and body scrub. I recently buy this product, so I only use it once, so I can't share my reviews on this product, but I will let you know in my next videos how this product perform. And you will get a 380 ml dabba in just 189 rupees. So it is a steal deal. If you are looking for a scrub, you can go for this. There are many products available in Amazon. I will love to try their more product in my future videos. Particles of scrub is not harsh to your skin and it gives a smooth and shiny finish to your skin, so you can check out this product as well. After body, let's talk about lips. For lips in summer you need a lip balm. Lip balm is very hydrating and keep your lips soft. And the lip balm I'm using is from Nivea, and it is their strawberry shine lip balm. It has fragrance of strawberry and the quantity you get is huge. Like you can use it rest of your life. It is just for 140 rupees, and you can check out the product if you like to buy it in the description box, and feel free to check out.
This product give you a smooth and shiny finish, so you can check out this lip balm also.
The next thing is sheet mask. If you are still not using sheet mask, then you are making a mistake, because you should use sheet mask. They are very hydrating and good for your skin. This time I buy Miniso sheet mask, and I buy 5 of them, and they cost me around 250 I think. And it has aloe vera and papaya and honey and cucumber and rice. So check out this product if you are willing to purchase it.
One is cucumber for soothe the skin. The second one is honey for nourishing the skin. The third one is aloe vera for maintenance the skin. And the fourth one is papaya for hydrating and nourishing. And the last one is rice for brightening the dull skin. You can check out this product.
The last product of this video is not related to summer, and that is a hair mask. The hair mask I am talking about is this Organ Oil hair mask from Biotic. Organ Oil is exceptional for your hair. Organ Oil known to give you a strong and shiny hair. And I first time using hair mask, and this is a very good hair mask I can say, because this gives you a shiny and super strong hair. So check out this product if you are looking for a hair mask.
The price of this product is 168, and you get 175 gram product in this dibba. So you can check out this product. It will make your hair look shiny and strong. So give it a try and see yourself.
So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, then comment down below, and also check out my other videos, and also follow me on my Instagram, and I will meet up in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and bye bye.